We're making sourdough discard pretzels today. Let's do it. 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of water and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 1/4 teaspoon of active dry yeast. Sprinkle that on top. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Once your yeast is all foamy, you're gonna put in your 200 grams of sourdough discard, 4 tablespoons of unsalted melted butter, 2 teaspoons of salt, about 4 cups of flour. I'm gonna give mine just a little bit of a mix before it goes in my dough, under my dough hook. We're gonna knead it with our stand mixer and the dough hook. Okay, it says when it's well combined, we're gonna change it to medium speed. We're gonna let it knead. It says it'll take about 4 to 5 minutes. The recipe says that if you need to add more flour, to do so 1 tablespoon at a time, and the same for water. If you need to add more water, you can do it 1 tablespoon at a time. We have an oiled bowl. It says that the dough should be well formed, smooth, not sticky. We're going to transfer it to our oiled bowl. I always give my dough a toss to coat it in the oil so it doesn't stick. We're going to leave this to sit and rise for about an hour, hour and a half, or until it's double. We have the oven preheating to 450. There's no need to flour or oil, that we want traction. We're going to break this into 8 equal pieces. It says to weigh them, but I mean, I ain't got time for all that. They're not going to be equal. They don't got to be perfect. Have you met me? The 16-year-old really likes soft pretzels. She requested making soft pretzels. Says we're going to roll them out into a 24-inch rope. Twist it, bring it in, just like that. You're going to have to roll it.
I can't. It's stuck.
Okay. Well, you just use the friction to roll it.
There isn't that much of friction.
Do you need some help?
Yes.
You ready?
Ready.
Now, you're going to make a U.
A U.
You're going to bring it up and then twist them.
Okay, up.
You bring it up. Twist them like this. And bring it down here and kind of pinch them together like that.
So these are sourdough.
Yeah, these are sourdough.
I'll grab the next one. Bring it down. Look at my pretzel.
The recipe says to do 10 cups of water and 2/3 of a cup of baking soda. You're going to bring it to a boil. It's 1920. Okay, we're going to do an egg wash on the pretzels. We're going to use some good flaky salt to just top each of them. Now we're going to put them in a 450-degree preheated oven. We're going to bake till they're golden brown. Should take about 13 to 15 minutes. Well, I pulled them out of the oven and they've already been descended upon, and we delivered one to a friend, and my daughters have eaten too. I haven't tried one yet. My daughters said they're delicious, and they're my biggest critics, so yep.